Hey world, Ben, we'll come back to another video. I'm sitting in the garage right now, guys, and it's storming here in HTOWN. And what you're hearing right now, that's like quarter size in diameter size hail. That's hail I'm looking at, it like baby rocks. Where did this hail come from? Wow. Hold up, I'm gonna pick one up, family. Hope I don't get knocked out. Look at it. That's what's falling right now. This is what's falling right now in HTOWN. And it was just nice. I just dropped a video a couple hours ago, not even a couple hours ago. Guys, it's hailing like it's raining. I'll be honest with you, I haven't seen this in a long time. If you hear it, guys, that's hail. Look at it. Where'd that come from? Wow. So, man, made me almost forget what I was gonna drop a video about. That is crazy. Family, look at this. Wow. Nah, I haven't seen that in a while. Matter of fact, I can't even remember the last time this has happened. That's hail coming down hard and faster than rain. Wow. Man, fam, I'm sorry, I have to come back to that. That is unbelievable. Slowing up now. That's crazy. Wow, family. And like I said, I guess I'm just gonna use this time to just say thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. And like I said, I will be coming with a live video. I'm gonna be going live next week, guys, so stay tuned. I'll definitely be letting you know and I'll give you the heads up on that. Got a lot of stuff to say, and I want to go ahead and start out on my first live. So I hope you guys look forward to having that happen and stay tuned. But guys, like I said, in the meantime, between time, the hail has stopped. Wow. May the Most High Saudi bring you joy, and being with us out of 5,000.